Go tell it on the mountain. Come and visit us at www.singinghands.co.uk.